Baro at mga kapatid na lalaki na natirito rin.
Instead of shedding light solely on the issue of the illegal drug trade in our prisons, some members of the committee decided to delve in Senator Lila's past relationship. Those members of the committee were grossly unparliamentary. Not a few said that it seemed to be a legislative sanctioned slut-shaming.
Parang naging lowest of the low na yung pagkondukta ng hearing. Ngunit kalaunan ay naging pag-uungkat ng personal na romantic na sexual na buhay ng isang mambabatas. Kaya nanawagan ako kay Speaker Alvarez na rendahan sana nila yung kanilang ilang mga miyembro ng kanilang house sa ganitong pagkalimot tungkol sa principle of co-equality at saka interparliamentary courtesy. Dahil alam naman naming lahat yung congressional investigation dapat in aid of legislation sa halip na maging in aid of sexism and misogyny.